Actually seeing this in person is absolutely beautiful. Holy cow. You have Snoopy leaving on a rocket going to land on the moon. How cool is that? What's up guys? I'm Garrett Faulkner. I've got a passion for real estate, exotic cars, and luxury timepieces. And I want to invite you into my world through my company, Faulkner Watch Vault, where we buy, sell, and trade luxury timepieces. Let's get started. Look what just landed from the moon. Everybody always asks me, what kind of knife do you use to unbox these with? And it's usually whatever knife we have laying around. So if anybody wants to throw us a sponsorship deal for a cool knife, we can definitely mention it at the beginning of the video. But right now we have a SOG Flash 2 that belongs to Joe, my cameraman behind the camera over there. And he, I usually just ask him, hey, what kind of knife do you have laying around? And it's either something he's cutting his lunch with over there, or every once in a while we get the 13-year-old Susie here, Trusty Dusty. Sometimes she's missing, sometimes she's not. And today she's here, but we're gonna open it with this. I usually carry a nice knife with me, but during summer I wear shorts and my pockets are kind of thin, and I have a nice knife and I don't want to lose it. So yeah, it'd be nice if we could get a cool knife and actually throw it down in the desk and retire Susie here. But anyway, let's get started. We'll jump right into it. Yeet. So this is it, the Omega. Sad to say, but I've actually never had an Omega in my personal collection. This is my first one. And what's really cool is this isn't my first one. I also have an identical one like this. So I actually have two of this exact watch, but let's jump into this and unbox this thing for the first time. You guys can check it out. So right off the bat, big nice blue box. Set this over to the side so it doesn't get in the way. Have this nice nylon watch box with what seems to be a nice patch that would go on like an astronaut's uniform. But this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Silver Snoopy Award special edition watch that Omega has. NASA awarded the Silver Snoopy Award to Omega in 1970, and they made this watch 50 years later. So it looks like it almost could be like a first aid kit or something, like that you would see on a space shuttle. Of course, it would be probably red or something like that, so it'd be easily visible. But you got like a handle on here. You know, you can carry this thing around. But we got some Velcro straps. We unvelcro that there and present to you the beautiful watch that we have here. So we have the Silver Snoopy Award Special Edition Omega. Beautiful stainless steel case with a nylon fabric strap. This watch is brand new in box. It's never been worn, and it is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. You got a white silver dial, blue accents. You have a blue bezel on here with your tachometer. You have your, this is actually an Omega Speedmaster Professional Special Edition. So this is really cool. You actually have your loop in here, so you can inspect your watch and all. I think it looks like it pushes out this way. Everybody's probably like, stop screwing around. So there you go. Now you can actually inspect your watch with your loop. This is a good time, again, to plug our Operandi watch roll giveaway. So again, link down in the description, and we're giving away one watch roll. That's every time I screw it up. We're giving away one We're giving away one watch roll this month from Operandi, valued at $350. Go check them out on their website. I'm not lying, the $350. We got several of them to give away right here. I've got one I'm gonna unbox real quick. I am wearing a Rolex Submariner 114060 no date on a beautiful rubber horse strap here. I have the original stainless steel bracelet with it. It's This watch is fairly used. It's available for a really good deal. Bracelet was kind of, you know, scratched up, just being used. This watch is probably 10 years old. Yeah, 10 years old, something like that, maybe a little more. And so it's just been an everyday wear for somebody before it was mine. But I love having this Horus watch strap on here. I have a McLaren 720S that has orange accent, the McLaren orange accents in it. And I've actually ordered another Horus watch strap that's an orange camo to go with this watch, which I think will be really cool when it comes in. So it was on back order. I ordered this one. This one came in first, this black one. And now I'm waiting for my orange one to come in, which would be pretty cool. So let's take it off, pop it in the beautiful operandi watch roll we got over here. All right, so this is it. There's a super, holy cow, this is gorgeous. Actually seeing this in person is absolutely beautiful. Holy cow, this case back absolutely makes this watch. And it's my favorite part about the whole watch. This is beautiful. So right here we have the Silver Snoopy Award, October 5th, 1970. We have the Apollo 13 mission, April 1970. The caliber 3861 movement, but as you see right here, coming away from the moon, or coming away from the Earth, sorry, the Earth is actually rotating and orbiting. We're on the back of the watch. Like, this is the most impressive back of the watch I've ever seen. You have Snoopy leaving on a rocket going to land on the moon. How cool is that? That's what makes this whole watch completely special. I've heard that there's been rumors that this watch is limited to 1,970 pieces. I have this one as well as another one with a stainless steel bracelet, again brand new in box, it's unworn, that I'm going to be collecting, but will be available of course on our website. So this watch is trending in the mid 30s. I think it's going to keep pushing up above that, so grab it while I've got it in the mid 30s. Ride the wave up and enjoy a nice American iconic just piece of history here. And who knows, this thing may hit $50,000 by the end of this year or something like that. So if you want to be able to enjoy something, wear it, and have an investment right here that can be on your wrist and you can pass down to the next generation, because I think it's going to go to the moon. Ha ha! That's funny. So let us know in the comments if you think, did we actually land on the moon, or is it all a big hoax? I'm not sure. Well, there's at least a whole watch with Snoopy. So yeah, the coolest part about this watch, the special edition watch, is really the case back. So if you've got this, I'm sure everybody's going to be like, hey, take it off, I want to check out Snoopy riding the rocket on the back. But the reason why Snoopy is so special is actually there's some booklets in here, and we'll get to that in just a second, and explain what is the Silver Snoopy Award, why is this watch made, and all kinds of other stuff. So let's actually dive into that. Right offhand, we got this thick, nice box, nice padding inside of here. And we have the nylon fabric box here, and inside we have the loop and the pillow, and then we take that off. Below the watch and the watch pillow and the loop that's here, there's actually another padding which looks like the watch box, this nice cream color here, but you have the warranty cards. So we're going to blur some of these out because we have the watch number, serial number on here, but we have master chronometer, pictograms, and international warranty cards here. So all of the warranty cards and information stores safely beneath the watch. We have this nice Snoopy sitting on his doghouse. Looks like he's got some aviator goggles on and a helmet on, flying. Pretty cool. And right here it says, what could you do in 14 seconds? And underneath here, this is my favorite part that I've seen in this watch, and it's here. This is worth the whole watch in itself, is this book, Eyes on the Stars, which actually said that on the case back as well. But this is super cool. We've got Omega on the back side here. We've got Snoopy on the front, Eyes on the Stars. These stars are like a really neat embossed feel to them, and then this is kind of like a real, I don't know what this material is, but it's a very nice suede almost material on the outside. Super cool. And yeah, we got some stories in here, and I'll kind of go through that and read you guys a couple things of what's in this book. But this is what makes this whole watch up, and this is kind of explains what is going on with the partnership between Omega and NASA and Snoopy. Why is Snoopy involved? So the story of Omega, Snoopy, and the greatest heroes of space exploration. I feel like I'm reading to a third grade class here, but this is actually a really cool book, so bear with me. Why Snoopy? Snoopy might seem like an odd choice for a space mascot, but the world's most iconic beagle has now shared a proud association with NASA for more than 50 years. Snoopy represented total mission success. The connection first began in the 1960s when Snoopy's creator Charles M. Schulz began creating comic strips depicting the lovable dog on the moon. Snoopy became so beloved by NASA's own astronauts that they created a very prestigious prize in his name. It was Charles M. Schulz who designed the Silver Snoopy Award, depicting the beagle in a spacesuit and wearing his famous flying ace scarf. Since 1968, it has been given to no more than 1% of eligible recipients, proving just how rare and special it is. Omega was the first watch worn on the moon. It was worn by the Apollo mission guys and all the astronauts. They all wore Omegas on the moon, shock resistant and all the other qualities. I think there was a lot of people that put in bids to be able to be worn on the moon, and everybody trusted the Omega Speedmaster, and therefore that was the one that they ended up going with. And afterwards, because of everything going so great and their efforts, they were given the Silver Snoopy Award, which is really cool. So this actually goes in here, slides back in underneath here, and we have how to take care of your watch over here on the side, as well as your operating instructions, which is a very thick book. So yeah, FaulknerWatches.com. You can check out our new website. We'll have this up on there, as well as several other watches in our collection. We'll have the Paddock. We'll have the Submariner, you'll see that on there, and several other things that we actually have in inventory right now as we speak. And as always, we can source watches for you, so if there's something that's not on the website, part of a lot of different dealer networks and other collectors of watches, and so usually if there's anything that you want, I can source it for you pretty easily. Feel free to reach out there. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let us know in the comments what you think about that case back. That thing is amazing. Favorite part of this whole watch, and just the iconic history of it is absolutely amazing. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, appreciate you guys joining us on this Watch Wednesday, and we'll catch you next time.